back. So in this video we are going to understand the Leetcode problem number 1161. It's a maximum level sum of a binary tree. So we know that the binary tree that contains what, the at least two children. So if this is a root, it should have two children, as you can see. So if there is a root, it cannot have more than two children. Okay, so the binary tree contains root and it should have two children like this. Okay, and it's also the further children either two or one, we can say, have. Okay, so this is what the binary tree says. Now it is saying that maximum, we have to find the maximum level sum. We have to find what is the maximum level, right? Maximum level is, we have to go till the depth, right? And we have to find the sum of all these levels. This is level 1, level 2, level 3, right? We can say level 0, level 1, level 2 also. So we have to go level by level and we have to find the sum, right? Means we have to traverse in the breadth first search way. Okay, very first we will go, then second level, then third level, and then we'll find the result. So it is saying that we have given a root of tree. The level of the root is 1 and the level of the children is 2 and so on, right? So it is saying level 1, level 2, level 3, like that we have given. Okay, so return the smallest level x, right? Such that the sum of all the values of the node at the level x is maximum. Okay, so let's see. If we'll talk about this binary array, right, it contains one root, then we have two children. One of these children, 7, have two children. Okay, so we have to find the sum. Let's suppose in the L1 the value is 1, right? In level 2 the value is 7, so 1 plus 7 is 8. Then we'll go to the next level, right? So next level, if you see, there is one value is 7, another value is minus 8, right? Means the previous till here level 2 we got is 8. As we reach here, right, very first we'll get 7, so it will be get added, right? But if we'll take the sum of this one, this sum is 1, this sum is 7, this sum is -1. So you can see that at level 2 we are getting the maximum value, but we cannot do the sum of these together. Okay, so the maximum level we can get the sum is at this position at L2. So give me 1 second. Okay, so let's go with the, here this is L1, we can say level 1. If you want to find the sum, we can get the value is 1. At level 2, L2, we have the sum, and at this sum is 7. At L3 the sum is what? Sum is 7 plus -8, which is gives you -1. Okay, so now you can see that the maximum value that we can see we have is at this position, right? And that is why level 2 is the answer. So output is coming this one. In explanation also, you see L1 coming 1, this, yeah, correct. We have to return the level with the maximum sum, which is the level 2. Yeah, so this is what we need to do, guys. Let's come to the here and we'll discuss. Okay, very first, what are the things we have given? Let's talk about that. Okay, so given thing we have is, right, what is given? We have given a binary tree. Okay, what we have given? We have given a binary tree. So it is saying each node has an integer value, that is fine, right? What is saying that each value contains a integer value. This is what the question is saying, right? Now it is also saying that the at root, right? At root means the root is at level 1, we can say, and its children are level 2, and its children are at level 2, and so now it is saying that for each level, right, for each level add up to all nodes, correct? So the values, all nodes values at the level, at that level, right? And then we have to return the number that has a maximum sum. And then our goal is to return the number, return the, not number we can say, but we can say return the level, we can say return the level number, okay, that has the maximum sum, right? What I'm saying that each node has integer value. We know that the root level is at level 1, its children are level 2, and so on, right? Means 1, then this level, then this level, and so on. It will keep going the level down, right? For each level we will add up to all nodes value, right? Means at level 1 we have, there is only one value, at level 2 we have two values, so we have to add all these values, right? Add up to all the nodes value at that level. Now the goal is to return that level number that has the maximum sum. So we have seen that, so all the sum we have to find, all the values we have to do the sum, and then we will return. This is what I'm saying here, okay? Now let's try to understand the things, how we are going to approach it. So let's take an example. Can I take an example like this? Is we have a binary tree, let's call 1, then we have is 7, then its value is 0, like this. Then we have is 7 and minus 8, okay? This is what we have given, and we have seen that to get the level, right, there is multiple ways we can get it, okay? So very first, if we'll talk about the level, right, we know that this is a level 0, this is called level 1, this is called level 2, this is called level 3, like this. So in the breadth first search, there is two things in the traversal, right? The breadth first search and DFS, depth first search. So either you are going the breadth first search or depth first search, you can go to the all the levels and you can find. The problem with the depth first search is that it will go in the depth way, which is not required here, right? But in the, if you're going for the breadth first search, so in the breadth first search, what happens, very first you cover this level, right? You will cover this level like this, okay? Sorry, you will cover this level, minute guys. So very first you will cover this level. Once this level is done, you will move to this level. Once this level is done, you will come to this level and you will complete this. Further you will complete like this. So like that zigzag level, you will complete all the sources. Once you will complete all the sources, right, you will see that you are able to complete the all the levels. So level wise, if we'll say, okay, let's go by the level wise first. So level wise, if we are going to traverse, how we are going to traverse? Very first, we have seen that we have level 1. At level 1, what are the nodes are there? So you will say, what are the nodes are there? You will keep in a queue, let's suppose, and that queue will contain the nodes. You will take the sum. What is the sum is here? You will say, okay, sum is 1. Then you will go to the level 2 like this. So when you go to the level 2, you will say, okay, what are the nodes value we have? Keep it in the queue. 7 and 0 is there. What is the sum is there? 7. Again you will check the level 2, level 3. What are the values is 7 and minus 8. What is the sum? Is minus 1. Now you, once you go that you will traverse right, you will say that, okay, at this level we found that the value is maximize, right? So you will say, okay, maximum sum we will find. So we will track this maximum sum. I will say, okay, maximum sum is 7 at level 2. And so the answer is what? Level 2, because we got the value at there. So the main thing we need to understand, which is very important, is that this is a level order problem, right? So we can say, which is very, very important to understand. Very, very important. What? This problem is a level order traversal, that is called BFS problem. So when you are reading the problem, you should understand what is the demand is here, right? We have seen that the thing means, if you will tell why, right, I can say very first thing is that we must process the nodes, right, level by level, because the question constant. If we will try DFS, right, it will goes to very deep first, which is not recommended, right? But if you're going level by level, it is recommended, right? It means BFS naturally group nodes by nodes. Okay, so what you will do, it's very easy that as you reach, as you will reach to the level 1, right, you will add into the queue, you will find the sum. Now once this is done, you will add its children 7 0. Now the size is, queue size is 2, so you will traverse it, you will find the sum again, you will remove its children. The 7 children is 7 and minus 8. You will add another children, like that you will traverse all and you will find the sum. Okay, so let me show you. So I have the code snipped. I'll show you how to implement this. Very first, we know that we have given is root, right? So what you will do, you will create a queue, right? So queue, why you will create the queue? Because we want to, when we visit the root, right, you have the children's, right? So when you add on the queue, right, we have to add first all these children. So we can go by the level by level. So in the BFS, we need the queue and we'll add the root first. So very first you will add the root on the queue, right? And to define the queue, you need the queue as a data structure. You will take type the tree node, you can say, and you will take through the linked list. Okay. Now on the queue, what you need to do, very first you will add the root, means the root element you will add, then we will add the children's. Okay, how? Let's see. You will check if through the while loop is the queue is empty. If it is not empty, right, we know that the queue is not empty. It means what? We have a root is there, that is 1, then we have is 7 and 0 we have, then we have another children 7 and -8, -8, give me 1 second, -8, these things we have given. Okay, so when we add this into the queue contains this root. Okay, so as we reach this position, we'll say okay, in the while loop it is not empty, so you will find the queue size, you will get the queue size is 1. So you have to traverse the loop, right? So I0 to the size means at least one time it will work here, right? So we will poll this value and you will say this is our node. Okay, so what are the nodes is there? There is only one node is there, this is 1. So you will get its children. How many? 2 children is there. So you will add the left and right, you will check both. Is it not empty? Not empty. Add on to the queue now. So very first you will remove this one from the queue. Now you will add the both children here at this position. Okay, as you remove this queue value here, right, before removing we need to find this level sum, right? How will you find the level sum? Through this line, right? Level sum, you will find node dot value, you will get the value is 1, so you will get the level sum. Okay, that is why when we come to the while loop, very first you will define the level sum, and so each level sum you will get at its level, at each level, you can say that. Okay, then to find the maximum level, right, it means we will not define here in the while loop, where we will define outside. So that is called our maximum level. Okay, so answer level we can say, or maximum level we can say, that we need to find, and there we need one maximum value, maximum sum, and very first level is level 1. Now we'll check this level sum. If the level sum is greater than max level, right, or max sum, it means now this is a maximum. It means when we reach here, you will get the value sum is level sum is 1, and initial value of the maximum is, this is the mean value, right? It means now the maximum level is this one, that contains the level value is 1. Okay, now when we reach the second time, you will add all these two, so there will 2 queue value is there, right? So at this level you will traverse for the loop with two times, right? And you will get the all the nodes value. Nodes value will keep adding, the 7 plus 0 is level sum is 7. Now there is the 7 is there, right, and it doesn't have children, so 7 will add these two value, right? But the sum is 7. So now the level sum is 7 and max sum is 1, because previous is 1. So you will check, you will update the max 7 is 7. So we'll return the max sum, right? So the answer level is get updated now with the 7 value. Okay, level value is 2. Similarly, you will continue these things and you will check that the level's maximum answer is at the level 2 and max sum is 7. Okay, so you are returning the level plus here each time, right? Sorry, not you are in the plus, but in the while loop, as you can see here, it starts at here and finish at here. So level you are increasing every time. Now answer level is updated, so you will return the answer level here, right? It is very easy, guys, right? So this is what we have in this video, guys. In case if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the question in the comment section, and let's summarize here. क्वेश्चन बहुत इजी है गाइज. आपको क्या करना है, सिंपल सी है क्वेश्चन, राइट. आपको ये करना है कि लेवल वाइज आपको सम निकालना है, ठीक है. उसको निकालने के लिए वेरी फर्स्ट आप क्या करो, एक क्यू ले लो, क्यू में सबसे पहले इस रूट को डाल दो, राइट। अब क्या होगा, सिंपल सी बात है, जब तक क्यू एम्प्टी नहीं है तब तक ये लूप चलना चाहिए, ठीक है। इसलिए ताकि लेट सपोज 2 चिल्ड्रेन है तो 2 टाइम्स जाना चाहिए। लेट सपोज वेरी फर्स्ट वी हैव 7 वी हैव, राइट। तो अगर क्यू में अगर हम इसे हटा करके हम दोनों को डाल देते हैं, राइट, मीन्स अब कितने टाइम्स हैं, इस लेवल के जितने भी है उन सब में जाना चाहिए, राइट। तो एक इसके लिए चलेगा जिसमें 2 वैल्यू इसमें डालेगा, फिर इस लेवल पे जाएगा, लेट्स सपोज इसमें 2 वैल्यू है तो उसके लिए भी जाएगा, राइट। तो उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, हर एक को क्यू में डालो, राइट। सो इसके लिए रिवर्स होगा, लेफ्ट राइट चेक करेगा, जो एम्प्टी नहीं है उसको क्यू में डालते चला जाएगा। तो एक सिस्टमेटिक वे से आप क्या करोगे, क्यू में डालो पेरेंट को, उसके चिल्ड्रेन को चेक करो, चिल्ड्रेन अगर एम्प्टी नहीं है तो चिल्ड्रेन को डालो। लेट सपोज दिस लेवल हम गए तो 7 पे चिल्ड्रेन क्या है, एम्प्टी नहीं है, लेफ्ट राइट में दोनों वैल्यू है, हमने डाल दिया। इस लेवल में नहीं है तो हम क्या करेंगे, जब आई की वैल्यू 1 होगा, राइट, इन दैट टाइम देर इज नल नल, so we can't add anything here, right। ऐसे चलते जाएंगे। अब हमें पता है कि लेवल सम हमें फाइंड कर चुके हैं, लेवल सम चेक करेंगे, यहाँ से लेवल मैक्सिमम और लेवल सम आंसर लेवल हम लोग क्या करेंगे, फाइंड करेंगे, अपडेट करेंगे और फाइनली विल रिटर्न करेंगे, ठीक है। सो वीडियो में यहीं तक है। अगर कुछ डाउट्स होगा आप पूछ सकते हैं। ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के लिए हमें इंक्वायरी कर सकते हैं व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे। एंड दैट्स ऑल आई हैव इन दिस वीडियो गाइस। आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन। थैंक you. Bye-bye. Let me know in the comment section what is the time complexity and space complexity.
Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and let us know what you want to learn next in the comment below. And thank you for watching this video.